Hey, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am screaming and jumping up and down, and we're using all of the magical powers to open up this box because we are celebrating Madam Glam's 10th birthday, y'all. Oh my goodness. They just turned a decade old. Now, I do want to apologize before I get right into this video. I have a nasty cold, and as you guys know, summer colds can be some of the worst, but the show stops for no one. This was so exciting. I just had to make sure there was a video ready for launch day. So without further ado, let's get into this magical gift box for Madam Glam's 10th anniversary. I am so excited, y'all. Madam Glam's birthday is so near and dear, very close to my heart, because this was one of the big collaborations I was able to do in the beginning of influencing for Madam Glam. Actually, the Charm Sisters and I came up with an amazing idea to spotlight collections, like colors from collections past and collections present. So the brand new collection for their birthday. And this was 2 years ago. So to fast forward from their 8th birthday to their 10th, I am so blown away, not only by how much magic has happened in the past 2 years, literally going from an influencer to a brand ambassador for them. Like, I am absolutely shooketh. But this has been a revolutionary year for Madam Glam. They have come up with the most amazing products. We are talking about brand new builder gels, mirror art pens, texture gels. Like, I can just keep going on and on about amazing, new, forward thinking. Like, they're constantly going with, new nail art trends, coming out with new liners. Like, I am just so blown away. New tools, like there's a new Elio lamp. Like, Madam Glam just keeps stepping it up. But this anniversary box touched my heart to no end. So for anybody that doesn't want to get the box, which I don't know why, they do sell separately the bundle that you can get all 8 gels. But this limited edition box, y'all, you are going to want to get. I cannot get over the gold embellishments everywhere. I am screaming. They also give you gold foil. And for my girlies that weren't able to get the advent calendar, you can actually get a taste and play around with their foil. Because let me tell you, their foil is quality. And not only that, but it's pairing with everything. That's what I'm freaking out about. So the purple, which is birthday bash up in there, this purple is identical to the box. And the fact that they give you the gold, you already have this like beautiful color story. But not just that, they give you seashells, like my mermaid heart. So you better believe, though we're going to be doing anniversary birthday nails, there is going to be a beach set up in here, because life's a beach. We got a party. But this A Glam Life collection is out of this world. I am so in love with this color story. So before I drool all over this box, let's get into these beautiful colors. In past birthday launches, they have went more the neon route. So I really love the color story they've given us this year. It is so beautiful, and it was not lost on me that for 2024, the color is peach. So they hook us up with some peaches. But first, this pink is so stunning. Like, I literally, my jaw dropped to the floor. The first person I thought about was Mama Does Nails. I'm like, I know when she opens this, she's going to be squealing. But I can't get over this pink frenzy. Oh my gosh, see, things are falling because it's just so magical. Like shaking the earth. This pink is so dynamic. And I'm telling you, every single one of these colors are perfect for summertime. So I think somebody in the glam house is in love with purple, y'all. because on their 8th birthday, they had a pop the champagne, and this color birthday bash, oh my gosh, it's Pop the Champagne's partner, okay? We're talking about the sexiest purple gradient ever. So when I looked at this color, I'm just like, I need to see it on the swatch right meow. So these are the cream formulas that we've come to know and love, but they are more on the thin side. So I would suggest you do 2 thin coats, but let me tell you, that is all you need. You get all the salon quality shine. You're gonna have 4 weeks, no chipping, no nothing, just the most gorgeous nails. Like, I can't believe this is for Madame Glam's anniversary, and I feel like it's my birthday. Like, this is insane. And right as I say my birthday, I got seashells and this blue. So this blue charm sister is feeling really happy. I may or may not be feeling myself. But look at this blue jolie. Oh, I am feeling oui jolie. Look at this. Okay, so we have teleported to breakfast at Tiffany's. Do you see this blue? This is like a robin egg. Oh my gosh, I was just screaming. Like, if this palette couldn't get better, we are gonna go into the minty greens. Like, my mermaid soul was just a flutter, and I was thinking beach nails, beach, beach, beach. So I said it enough to summon the mermaid spirits, so I'm definitely gonna be doing all that magic. But next up is Minty Mirage, which this color, y'all, I can't even, this camera doesn't even do it justice. I was screaming at her. I'm like, show the minty quality. Oh my gosh, though it looks like close to the blue, let me tell you, when you put these bad boys together, like, they are just so beautiful. Like, the vibrancy is not coming up. It is such a beautiful mint. I am madly in love with it. So next up, we have Mojito. And I already know what kind of party Madame Glam's having, and I am living for it. I might be getting a margarita, but I won't be mad if you get a mojito. So if you know about mojitos, they're absolutely delicious. And it's like a mint. It's like a mint liqueur drink. It's like a cocktail. And that green was so lime radioactive. I was just screaming. And now, without further ado, we're getting into the peaches I was talking about. So 2024 is the year of the fuzz, the peach fuzz. And I thought it was so darling that they actually gave us 2 different peaches. And I think it's almost serendipitous because Priya and I are actually going to be doing 3D peaches. So the moment I saw these colors, I was just like, oh my gosh, Madame Glam, you've done it again. I am definitely going to be using this for a Peach-tastic live. So you guys got to stay tuned because Priya and I are going to light it up. And there's going to be so many more lives with Mama, Priya, and myself doing 3D fruits and all sorts of other magic. So please make sure you have the subscription bell. Well, the subscription doesn't have a bell, but that you're subscribed and the notification bell is on. How you doing? Oh my gosh, y'all, I have been downing tons and tons of peppermint tea and honey. So I'm sorry if I'm a little bit all over the place. I am just so happy that I have a voice because this morning I had no voice. Yeah, it wasn't a good moment. And I'm like, we have a launch. I need to do what I used to do when I acted and drink a whole ton of honey. So I am so sorry I talked right through the cake batter swatching, which y'all, it ain't a birthday or anniversary without some cupcakes or cake. So that cupcake, oh, I'm going to call it cupcake batter. That cake batter was so delicious, and I have a very special demo I'm going to be doing. So again, we're going to make the new thing called the subscription bell. Make sure you have that turned on because let me tell you, that is going to be a truly delicious and tasty nail. Now that chic rose or rosé, oh my gosh, I was freaking out. This color story is just, It has me feeling all romantical, ready for the summer. Look, I am thinking about so many nails. So, Madam Glam, you have done a decade of inspiring, and I cannot wait to make so much magic with this. Thank you so much, Madam Glam and Karina, for sending out this A Glam Life limited edition gift box. And if anybody would like this gift box, then all of the information and clickable links will be down below, including all the discount codes and all of the magic. But y'all, you are not going to want to miss out. I have a feeling these boxes are going to sell out fast. These colors are absolutely delectable. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I really hope you enjoy today's unboxing. Launch day! We had a swatch party. I am sending you so much love and light. Thank you again for watching, and see you in the next one.